As we start our journey with a summary of 4 payment integrity programs: high dollar, fraud, waste, and abuse, COB, and subrogation. These are the foundation of most payers' cost containment efforts. Each of these programs is well established with multifaceted audited approaches, including prospective and retrospective reviews through system edits, second pass reviews that are often called focus audits, and contracts with specializing vendors like CO. These programs produce consistent avoidance and recovery savings. And to carry our frontier analogy forward, a payment integrity auditor is much like a prospector. Whereas a prospector goes on a journey seeking to discover treasure and needs to look in many places, an auditor reviews many suspected claims to identify recovery savings. Auditing needs to be performed by balancing different approaches for different claim types and payment methods. To identify billing errors, payers often use one or more claim editors that apply business rules and flag the claim for review. Data mining is the practice of looking across claims for patterns and outliers to identify both billing and payment errors. And finally, medical records reviews are used to identify that upcoding or level of care errors and to ensure compliance and policy adherence. Our polling questions suggest that these clinical reviews or these complex reviews and the practice of upcoding or overbilling is a primary concern. In addition to applying these approaches to recover overpayments, payers apply the same strategy to identify errors prospectively to avoid the overpayment. This is like comparing the advancement from a compass to more sophisticated navigation tools. The direction the compass is pointing us next is our primary message for the webinar. Innovations that open up opportunity for more audits, more volume, at the same time as improving speed, cost, and quality, is the payment integrity roadmap. Audit innovations need to deliver benefits sooner at a reduced administrative burden and with higher success. Whether your business unit is called cost containment, payment integrity, audit and recovery, every year the targets and goals get larger and larger and teams are asked to do more with less. How many times have you heard that? Do more with less. There are 2 solutions that unlock new capabilities to help payers meet those targets. The first is the expansion of prepayment auditing. With the quick cadence of technology advancements in data management and analytics and system interfaces, it's possible to complete complex audit reviews within the initial prompt pay timelines and to avoid overpayments. Prepay audits deliver the trifecta of benefits: the improvements to speed, quality, and cost. The second innovation targets a new opportunity in expanding the frontier, so to speak. Again, due to technology and communication capabilities, payers can better control medical costs for claims not typically in scope for audit review, such as non-par providers and high-volume, lower-dollar claims. Through a provider behavior modification solution, we can drive change using tools from other approaches and applying advanced analytics and workflow management system provider engagement to identify and manage provider outliers based on cost and utilization. Today, we're going to review the points on that map that we described, that journey or expedition that correspond to the journey or direction that a payer may take on their quest for higher, increased savings dollars. CO believes that by adopting a pioneering approach and incorporating prospective tactics to traditional retrospective programs, a plan can maximize that opportunity. There's 4 major destinations on our journey: longitudinal data mining, expansion of our post-pay audit programs into the outpatient and ancillary claim types, the prepay clinical auditing, and the provider behavior modification. As you will see, our explorer also takes a break along the journey to apply insights gained along the way. This includes correcting systems and process issues and possibly addressing payment policy opportunities that are identified through root cause analysis and of the payment errors that have resulted in repeated recoveries.